Here is Mody AI car modification app. So you can just find it here, Mody AI. Super cool app for, generated images, AI images of cars. Basically in here, you can just find it. Here, as you can see, it's in top charts. And, there are a lot of AI apps to redesign your rooms, to obviously create AI avatars. But this is about cars and it's quite handy. So you can just upload the image of your own car. For example, this is also some inspired AI images. So for example, then you can also have live edit, and then you can just chat and ask like, hey, add this, remove that, change these wheels, and then describe your modification. So for example, let's see, for example, I have my car. I want to see how it will look like if I change color in red. And then let's see, unfortunately, then you need to upgrade. So then you can see you need to pay $30 per year. And then you can see in here, so 1 week, $7, 1 year, 40, lifetime, 70. And then you have toolbox, custom edits. Then you see garage. So for example, here is the car I tried. So here's, for example, the Honda. And then you can just do something like that and then see if it's worth it or not. You can see some gallery of templates which you can try. Then you can also create a video as well. So that's pretty cool. Remodify, remove. And that's kind of the idea of this app. Start new chat, and then you can just chat around specifically about your car. Super cool idea, how you can just get it. And then you see the garage, and then see here, what is that? Feedback, sounds, change your username, delete an account, and that's it. You cannot have some promo codes or referral codes. Otherwise, I would share it in here. I think they should add some promo codes. So yeah, that's the idea. So this is the app, Mody AI car modifications. In this category, I think this is right now it's the easiest and best app. There are now a lot of copycats, but I think still this one is the best one if you want to modify your car look with AI. So definitely check it out. Here's how the car looks like, built by Skate.